Hi, everyone. Welcome to Artful Living. I'm Crystal Beshara, and I have been an artist, an illustrator, and arts educator for over 25 years. And here on my channel, we explore ways in which we can cultivate more positivity in our lives on a daily basis. I've always believed that art is not something that is exclusive to a niche group. And as an educator, I've seen a lot of amazing, positive, beautiful transformations from people who have just brought a little creativity into their life. And that doesn't mean that you have to turn into an artist overnight. You can have artful moments every day, no matter where you are, and still benefit from that wonderful grounding sense of calm. So if you're new to my channel, you'll see that it has been organized into several playlists, including art, wellness, and travel, and even some mini meditations, moments that we can kind of steal throughout the day, maybe 5 or 10 minutes of just setting our eyes on something that is pleasing to us, that brings us joy. And that might include infusing it into your daily routines, like your morning routine, how you pour your tea, just these more mindful moments that can be found throughout the day, every day. I hope you find that these little tips and videos that I'm sharing on this channel bring you a little bit more peace and help to spark a little bit more creativity in your everyday life. Thank you so much for being here. Until the next time.